yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu. Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
Right, Yama Ahefakaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood Television, and a Juada, Bian and the Ukukrum, Ukotong, Yanto, Soprano, now Soprano, Opiatonia Bianto, Oped maybe, and Yaman Kuyi, Nimuno, Asada, and a Matridian Punakopon. Now, your cost what lady say on one Casalam Nipomo, or Beshet, Nehon, and Munyam. Away, Yasin Kunya on Sinupi, Binyamre. Na yet to me Eddie Nkomo on the 9th time and His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana Nana Adambo Akufo-Addo Ghana for Akasa Friday na free na the number of infected persons with COVID-19 na it was somewhere 3,091 equally na equally as I speak with you. Or my Ghana nipa bear 4,700 and na yare COVID-19 no onye bi Ghana enra His Excellency the President of the Republic na Akufo-Addo no mind edi nkobo someone who no kan proud to that na agidi for no ma be no so beka say we bi atum yenkwa asore we bi atum ona wo so otimi ekwa yi betumi yi political parties activities enko so but the president say until so be hunu say eniema anomalize no enya dey say ade no ebitimi esti why extended the ban on public gathering at the akosi that the 1st of this month yebenyamre na enei yatumi edi eno ho enkomo ewofia nanra so company edi tu dware na edoson first of all company so body kan why extended the ban on public gathering to the 1st of this month we no free wa company sign kan say bia na mu hia pa. So there is only one thing that bit me aboa ama or mine etimi akon etia COVID-19 yare no eno ene nka bo mu o se nyina ye adwen say your mind Ghana for na ebeke ho bo mu ebetimi atu yare no ase again e was say didi yie na didi yie a ebetimi aboa ama yare no so no etimi akofoma na say bia e boost your immune system etimi aboa enuane obobo so talking about the vitamins, vitamin A, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E. Nina no enema enra His Excellency Bobo so kontombre cashew nuts mot near their day say yinidi dinuane bi na afeni yenya hoden ebenya mra na yetimi edi no so nkomo ene omabani e kan say 3,232 cases. And I said, I'm in a boy, and a year enhanced testing. Gave you a sample of India, and commonly said, I said, I don't. But in name, because ya enhanced testing, the surveillance, and it was things, you know, I might give you sample for. As I speak with you, 533 Profudu High, a silver tema, a fishing company, you have now almost no, but opening and there are some market. So the question is, sample for no so. On the asylum. Still, the contact tracing is ongoing. And some of them company edit to now, Bako Kaya, and then Jatabaha, Abia, Obeka Haku, and they say political parties at the SADEC, the number of cases no about politics there. There will not be the president no. But yes, I know because they are only doing that to survive in the political arena. Even near the Hong Kong, but the young now there is Excellency. Nana Akufo-Addo edi tuja enrano yenkoti.
Once again, good evening. It has been 8 weeks since our nation embarked on a coordinated, enhanced response towards combating the coronavirus pandemic after we recorded our first 2 confirmed cases. We've taken the necessary measures of aggressively tracing, testing, isolating, and entreating infected persons and their contacts as a means of containing the spread of the virus amongst the population. Measures such as the temporary partial lockdown of Accra, Tema, Kumasi, and Kaswa, the adherence to enhanced hygiene and social distancing protocols, the ban on public gatherings, and the closure of our schools and our borders have imposed considerable difficulties on all of us. But I'm heartened that we appreciate that they are essential to save lives and livelihoods, and I thank all of you for your continuing cooperation. As of Wednesday, 6th May, a total of 135,902 tests had been conducted, with our country's total number of confirmed cases standing at the time at 3,091, with 303 recoveries and, sadly, 18 deaths. On Thursday, 7th May, 14,046 more tests were conducted, and this included the clearing of the last set of backlogs. Our total confirmed cases then rose to 4,012 positives, i.e. 921 new cases. Our recoveries stood at 323, 8 persons were critically ill, and deaths still at 18. It is important to stress that 533 out of the 921 new cases recorded between last Wednesday and Thursday are factory workers from a fish processing factory located in Tema. All 533 persons were infected by one person. Again, let me reiterate that these new 921 cases were from backlogs dating as far back as 26th April and not necessarily over a 24-hour window. The coming on stream of 7 more testing facilities across the country to complement the efforts of the Noguchi Research Institute, the Kumasi Center for Collaborative Research, and the National Public Health Reference Laboratory at the Kolebu Teaching Hospital have meant that we have been able to clear all the backlog of tests, and the reporting on the cases of infections since Friday, 8th May, is now current. On Friday, a total of 5,253 tests were conducted, with 251 positives. On Saturday, 2,255 tests were conducted, with 266 found to be positive. For today, Sunday, a total of 3,045 tests have been done, with 160 testing positive. These relatively lower daily numbers of infections are welcome and reinforces the fact that the measures instituted to help reduce person-to-person contact and help defeat the pandemic are working. So as of today, Sunday, 10th May, the country has conducted a total of 160,501 tests, with our total number of infections standing at 4,700, with 494 recoveries, 5 persons being critically ill, and 4,179 persons responding to treatment. 22 persons, virtually all of them with underlying illnesses such as hypertension, diabetes, and chronic liver disease, have unhappily died. We must understand that the more people we test for the virus, the more persons we will discover as positive, and thus have the opportunity to isolate and treat them. If you do not test people for the virus, you will not find the persons who are positive, let alone isolate them from the population and treat them. and prevent them from spreading the virus. Indeed, had we not been proactive in undertaking enhanced contact tracing of infected persons and had relied solely on testing persons who reported to hospital, which is the practice followed by some other countries, i.e. routine testing, our total case count would have stood at 1,413. The other 3,232, i.e. two-thirds of the population of positives, would have been undetected and still be within the population, unknowingly infecting others. I know some political actors will want you to believe that our current numbers represent a failure on the part of government. Do not begrudge them. They need to make such comments for their political survival. On the contrary, we must be emboldened in the knowledge that the 4,700 persons infected so far with the virus have been identified, taken out of the population, isolated, and are being treated. The implementation of our strategy of aggressively tracing, testing, and treating is our surest way of rooting out the virus. This early identification of persons with the virus ensures that they do not spread the virus to others. We are provided with the opportunity to treat them, and it helps us to understand better the dynamics of the virus. The rapid implementation of all of our policies has resulted in our low infection, hospitalization, and death rates, some of the lowest in Africa and indeed the world. We certainly must be doing something right in Ghana. Our country has administered more tests per million people than any other country in Africa. And in fact, the World Health Organization, WHO, has reached out to us to share our sample pooling experience with other African countries so they can adopt this strategy and also ramp up their testing capabilities. It is thus vital that we continue to maintain the measures of enhanced hygiene and social distancing protocols to contain the spread of the virus, as they are the surest way to a quick return to a life of normalcy.
Right, yes, I'm a Kwaba, I Kumawut television, Silupi, Jumadi, and Ibusua 8. Yakoshe, General, His Excellency, the President of the Republic, Nana Rampa Kufado, a catcher of my Ghana. Our penny actually Mumubakaya on the 27th of April, and Ghana Medical Ghana Health Service, Ebeka is a Yadru peak, the address, Yadru Bruno. Is it the graph no the flatian as a bafom into mobile stretch video if you want yana has said eba e kwosropa so His Excellency na ochirim the CEO ama yare no has say e kwosro our police on Friday 5,253 cases and adia called the various testing centers and so said this time round no you apart from the Kwalebu Nguchi and KCCR no there are another 7 testing centers are become. On Venice, you tested 5,253 cases. You tested now 251 and you and then on Saturday 2,255 tests and research centers no you 256 and so and then on Sunday at now 3,045 tests was conducted yesterday and 160 positive. Not to say, test no so far, you tested 160,501 and 47,000 COVID-19 494 and so anyone to me I recover and then 22 almost free sample from more underlying health conditions, hypertension, chronic diseases, any Yaribia cancer, and then more recover 4,100 79, and then 5 in critical condition. I know, and I'm penny, it me, edited Enrada, Efa Yareno, and Casa Evan. We in which you say NCCE, National Commission for Civic Education, Momusika, now if you assign among PPPs, I'm on to me at the COVID-19, and so to me at the Agua. The frontline workers and so Obama Basso. It's a Jumamoyeno, let me saw as company. You remember now, yet the home and combo. Before then, not Ghana Medical Association, Akatompany say, Emmanuel, the ban on public gathering. So, at a now, as of good notion, Esra by anything, Oma now to me and sorry, the various protocols. But company and Tio or say, young Boswa, now you observe the ban to the end of this month. If you didn't say, you Hamlet, they say, and so on, so we are working out for. No more but the Sima. The age ranges from 19 to 25 years. More branch of water. They say, customs 124 or more, so much that's what must happen for. Doctor Mason Utalo Swakasa said, sorry for the Bayan Castle, putting out now Aaron and Kwanza, now to me up, now Yapo, sorry. And then on other issues, the NDC Amanukuno as a enche, the running mate at the Amanis, Excellency John Dramani, then manifestation in the course of the month, manifestation about marketizing the NPP for appointing campaign team directors and managers whilst or more Indian the flag bearer for months. We should screen anymore. We will say lines be up. WhatsApp. What the pharmacy business for Sobra. Now into me and kind and from me edits my bit of fortune. Me my father. Now the answer you know I see. Correct agent watching. AKA Tataba. United Front Party. Presidential candidate. When you have
Ye bru.
You have a body.
Nyame to me Tiboko.
But is here actually?
Sir Mike, so who say a Jumanis. A Jumanis. Yes, lesson and unleft band and intermediate and tinsim.
Only
Or Semre. Or Semre. On say, I actually say, ye beko race. Na ye more precra no was start ye kind. Share boss or ye, the gun is cow. Nimphony and a did so.
I know they almost say private companies and they are some in trying to campaign.
Okay.
COVID-19.
Okay. It means me ye be
Why not so campaigning?
Say on COVID-19 so my penny that I'm a hammer so ye be. Maybe a CPP so ye be No, as a state, on say ye man penny or ye Ghana and man penny. Aside that, or ye NPP presidential candidate. Ye no ewo race num. Enti ade bia na ebe ma no opportunity ahead of us Onyai sa private way no kombetimi aye chi sell win na sa akrobeto. Na wabo ho
legally he is not an NPP presidential candidate because party name of once on young for by endorsement.
Wa pick form and oma close. And he is the only person our picky form no. He is going on unopposed. What must say? Enti oye politician, onye just president. What I say, I respect him as the president of the Republic of Ghana. And at the same time, he is my competitor. Onimi ebe siya kain. Enti no say no a oye mampanyini no enema bi no a oye no etu ba bia also neutralize ne ho say o the state farm and ye den ye niema bebre
okay
to his advantage
Mr. Kofi Owusu Omar chama Omar ya Asante Bedna chairman for GCPP domestication oyina kwa
media
tama boko there
nyamiado na media chair
about you see the first media for you
na me social media penny
but GCPP mo da so
Oh, definitely. Say GCB there, many other kind of prayer. Race, there become biano, ye place fourth.
Okay.
Omwa there chibiano. They were there fit biano, ye bona around 15,000, 10,000 votes. To which say Gabano, a muchi. But they say, no, Yamea, the most COVID number, be biana Ghana, be a domestication.
Okay.
And he was a, say, no, Yamea, a viano, and sharing a pea. Automatically, no, be a tournament. And he, yo, Yamea dom so, Yamea dom say, a mampany, a be or left a bandina. Then, a car MC 2 regional the elections, any friends, then near national. Then you have how far any.
I'm just imagining how difficult it will be for you to arrange for these things, because even for regional executives,
I got 2 regions.
So and then for national.
Yeah.
After national, presidential candidate.
Yeah.
We have less than 6 months to elections.
So over here, PNC, it's only CPP, and almost I have region, regional elections, national. And the other political, I'm saying, many opinions, I'm so many again. And my and national, and she said, in 2 days, then we can finish the regions and then for it, because region is a different region. And they can do it by themselves, and they're not national law. So, late in my but the current man and no man, you are waiting, say, a band belly band in
before you we're not ever a lesson with the amount of political parties. Say, Mamma Kenya to election year before, and some of my marriage say actively, mobile Yanyama. Because as it stands now, other parties in the NPP, any parliamentary primaries, not to talk about the presidency. We know the additional political parties.
Oh, okay. 2016, up to June, July. Then you accept that. But with conference in now,
domestication, no. My and you late cry and my GCP.
Emphasis and from cafe castles. I catch yourself, your back, I walk my yamma. Unukunshima was one take the member no Moses Yariano, Hanopa, Ono Yidician, see and waiting, Nakafe in the river, ever walk. I'm one so what to me, I do myself. Also, and Anon Royal Enterprise, and so a boy made a bread war. Instrument is not sorry demo, Emma Unyame, Energy, a son of him, and release Anon Royal Enterprise. Refer, William Red, yet to be taken. If you want to see the
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu. 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 Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
And from Silopi on Kumawood Television. For our message in the WhatsApp, Inyamre and Kinkai and for Emma on 0543 596 070 0543 596 070. You do come on matters arising from the president's 9th speech to the country on coronavirus, the novel coronavirus. Yataba, Your Excellency, I know His Excellency. Putin in area, the issue of women be cases no said the AC Costro, the Emma cases no, the inter cases no, I could use her, and then the oil still now borders. I say up to the end of this month, no, in borders, and then all social gatherings, Nina, still the man is on force. And then PPs was work to NCC or strengthen one almost many years. Were you impressed?
Medas, Eddie time, I mention Minia of GCPP. Now, Minia, all the political parties say, "Oh, man, now me and Charles Antimera, who for seat." Near Norman Peninikai, or can send be exposed ne or can say, one more or more, maybe you pressure, if you diabetes, if you want yari, no. Not just a coronavirus, no, and a kumu. So I say, the person say, immune system because of more other related diseases, you know, immune system is very weak. Good. It is a coronavirus, not the count, and no one to me now, and now must uncle for now, or any winning baby. This means, say, coronavirus is not in this country. That is me understanding. If it's a pandemic, basic or memu, nani pam pemon 9. Ne mudu ngotwe na ye man panyini se du ngotwe ne mpo 22 se du aduonu mienu no mpo omo wo pressure ene ayade bi ekeka ho no na amana basa meboa hwe me ade a aye me nwanwa every Ghana Medical Association for ho ne se o man panyini matro letter amano se ye lock down o man Ghana amanfo nyuma say yo asay moye no huhuhu se yare na ayehu enipa aduonum miensa ne akire ya lock down o man no ena maako aduonu baako the consequences ensunsuanso a eba o man mu no enya adeketwa donations amanfo ye mudi sa lockdown yi agi scafi IMF modi giscafi World Bank ni nyina no ye hunu ade bia o mampanyini di aye ni oye ni so de ye campaign se de be ye beto abama no o se obeto ye friend sen o wini biemu a obesi ayaresabia edu nwotwe enwotwe
eno no wonder so wini biu a na oti na o se finance minister the parliament na abode abotomani is starting right now. And then it's going to be within a year. The year say because we need you are na fear only
political fraud no but to me no politics and or dey what ba be di o man so mfie dan nie o man panyini dada o call ye na ya resap bia pi wo ho a o si a wanwie no wo ba ye wontimi nto a bi so o wontimi wie hwe kumawudie hwe your friend is saying for me na hwe military hospital ni nyina o mampanyini na nado danko ekufo ado wontimi nya hwe na wontimi nya ade yi bi no afa dia wo say next year ye be chance u be si fresh hospitals 88 ya ra ho sem enti no o mampanyini o take advantage bi on the colleague politicians na dey no be contest no.
What do you mean by o take advantage? Because yare ba wa hu man peni kwa tunu se unu ya peni me swata kra pressure no so why do you say because any before ka so omo nyam prime so
uni bibi yare no almost say contact tracing so obi will be na say o de unsa kana oni ni ko didia obenya be meboa
enya so oni didia but the likelihood say ebia wa so bibi mu na o kosum na say ebia with me
ye man panyini o call Norway ba ya na ya na so say Norwegian prime minister wenya bi na arehu samuel wo mu ni say omo ne ko share Norway esa no nom ye na nsi hwa o na Rebecca Kufuado ye first lady na do yire birthday aso omo san ni fi Norway e bai e ko share Peduase Lodge esa ko sai endom ye enti no me hu o man panyifo from yam shim na me say corona no wenya bi because na ne swati ɛna adeɛ no ɔno ɛkɔ baayɛ yi no ofi Norway baayɛ na nsɛm yi nyinaa hyɛ aseɛ wanya bi ɛna leadership by example na Nado baayɛ no one quarantine ho ɛna ɔde bɛ ne namu de ba 6 March me de boam sɛ 6 March manche ade bi
no 6 March na kra wanche obi a
oh omo ye party
a party national chair idea at the public we are supposed to do the one
any obe wevu ye so tians ba so obetena obi nchen enti contact tracing no akonwa na wotena so no obi na befa e meboa enti no ade na e koso no to me do me hu ni say yare no omo di baji sika I must admit say wo Asia e wo Europe because of omo weather me call to Dr. Isiansari, health advisor to the president. Or say coronavirus is the most laziest viral. Empo say be bound sana opie wa num na onum nso regular crack on survival. Obeko enti no ade we ba ye no aden na ye wo Ghana Herbalist Association ya abandon omo. Ena hwe Madagascar the herbs so ena ekon Mimi susu sakana na bi wo Ghana Medical Association and the current administration of the country. Anywho, WHO ntem. Still almost train so almost draw now almost the beba no and on be use.
But on records, the help up we are okay. Almost of the letter from the president on say almost the health ministry no letter from so almost drugs no are still under investigation. At least you have to go through lab.
Consider ben.
So
no, sabotage. It's a sabotage. They are sabotaging the Ghana Herbal Association, you know. KNUST, University of Science and Technology. Omo herbal medicine, omo ye. Madagascar na no be can say nunumi any friend is saying new tree ya na omo ye omo dia ye. Nipa yare and so na mapamo a MPP aban any Ghana Medical Association any who World Health Organization aye say omo twen say omo adura omo be ye wo ho e di beba no ansa no mbedi atum enti obi kura ka se wanya bia na omabo agu
but it's serious allegation.
Oh yes,
because Ghana Medical Association nipa no menye sure say omo no be yes omo no mafani na ban pa family test.
Now the leaders, you know, are they not the leaders? Omo MPP abemu. Sir Mike, are you serious? Omo the MPP abemu. Dr. Anthony Isiansari. No work out. Me no. Me say oh MPP. You know I was an MPP.
Sure.
What do you show? Sir Ghana Medical Association to me trolete. Emma Mampenyi say unlock it down country because of certain viral. Na me fin kan eba me be ya o na me kasa ye no na wo aka wo ba bi wo anyinem
okay
etiwa east enam se insu ogunu to obi an pese obegina fa no mi china tam no to me ka mu nearby hospital ye enyiresi
okay
ye du ho no wo hwe se bi omo private hokra na me reho say anti Ghana Medical Association, are you aware of this conditions at what hospital ho and among letter more man penny say or man penny ye hospitals no e be ye polos bebre ko ayaresabia ko fire e free hoba because viral obekọ ayaresabia bi asabi e ho ahunidie eni ho and among letter more man penny say ayaresabia hodo e wo oman no mu a yesi ayenwie ye no o man penny finish them for the past 4 years. Afe ekodu say we ya bade a omo say Ghana Medical Association atro letter ba. One, me omo integrity asset now no is at stake. And no thing na enye doctors ni nyina o. Who share doctors ni be privately a. Omo ni a ekoso no omo ni nye ho.
Mami ko din ko mra. Mame ni the most Reverend Paul Frimpong Watson. Frimpong Manson, sorry. Reverend Paul Frimpong Manson, a General Superintendent, Assemblies of God Ghana, and also a President at the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council. But when you see a guy, you know, you have no television.
So, what clear, Papa, but the chief can
So
Yes,
far.
what's happening here?
Hello,
Papa, yes, what's happening here?
Papa,
Papa, you think on COVID-19 and one penny some of the two was so extended the social gathering and our public gathering to the end of this month. Marty, Muso saying,
ya shuma kumape. Emi it's just the Bombina Cafe. You should be serious about the economy. Now, you should be the children with you. Now, see, critique glass, which was very, very, very important. And the hotel who let the food chances of the Kitchen Rama. And he said, the real person, he and Peter. And when he said, let's make the relationship. Let's protect. Let's come up with kids. That's you. So that's it. Yeah, water, right? It's the same as you act your consultant practice. Chat when your consultant practice. You realize that signing speech of what is happening. And now, we therefore, we are the right to and then church is going to see about any new forces you really plan to do. But the most of us when we were very there was no way with the book what whether they are consulting at every level. They are tired of society. The time the it is why I said here, we as a one of the first people to comment. The kind of cheap. And what we are a little boy, now I get on our plan. With a real adventure. And we are sort of cool. There's a opportunity. And I can call them a coffee. Can I look a short and a mark in a tree? So it's young class of your head. The plant near the cheap goes up, even participate. You said, when you are your phone of the fight, everywhere you could, one leave your house and ride for put out the back of the and never be by Paco Small for chicken fox last year. It will be better. It is you know about in your movie, I clear foot and it's here. You will anywhere but the national form here, including Shia, and completely we will rather see if there's a career and certain independence outcome. You have to the rest to do. We have been to social expenses and I think no spot. The whole year is here. But then, through that, we can also be cut of the solution. Just that means people and teaching them, educating them so far.
preparation ana mo ye ahead of say ye be bie ban no mo na mo de letter ne come on mampani enti e fa hene na e be kan yen central for yen say
media for it. The preparation was not addressed for the media. It was not addressed for church members. It was not if they were going to send it through an office. State, that's fine. It will be key. The fact is that you're not going to do that. So even programs out there have been doing that to write
okay.
You have not released any paper, so you should not attach an office meeting ground don't cheat. The finding is near a map that you can't have to.
Okay.
The church has never pressured you. You have not pressured your program. Near what you are. So, and that's it. A big deal about say this month, say next month, say the next 8 months ago. You will say, the new mind gives you a quiver at that point. And you'll get what you want. If you have and just you, I have been on car. I do 4,700. And yet, come up everywhere, you are going to talk, sorry.
Yeah.
You just came on to show you. I thought that it's not a training.
Okay. Roma, wabra na Roma mpani bekasa no. Na mo ya we say Ndi Reverend Wadaroma Enra na mo ya we say His Excellency ebe extend the ban.
Having said it was not the normal, but not all, not near institution was it. Just a common logic about people say that you listen to our way to be how I said, but it was a common logic there. I've never saw him between and a corner and about 15 years to running in the hand. Then there's 4,000 more. We should travel. Yeah, it was just common logic. What happened to that? The atmosphere, feelings, environment, experiences, I mean, it was common logic to say, I mean, just feel it, yes,
Papa, where ye no. Now, in Mrs. Sorry for you now, at fee. But then, more observe, said the NMC called comportment, the wearing of nose masks, using of hand sanitizers, any washing of hands near the idea. More impressed, a GB for Ghana, Moon said, Moncroft for said the Omudim Ranasono, a fatana.
I'm sorry for you, I asked the fire, because you say, I don't know. A fire, I'm calling it no checker. I should be good, she answered, the chance of it. We got a girl who is last walking. You still almost responsible. But could have your whole corner and come up and then come up with some other will be our word. And the blues who could do us. There's really a demand here, or you and I want to. If the tradition only, we have the social expansion, not only the social spot and that one. What factory wouldn't acquire one person? If it's a Gusua, a pair of year out, but you put a children, when the year is good, yeah. You don't have that money. I'm having one facility, which is
okay. Papa, come out television, ya say you say when you're ready, am I? Yes, still, I say you're content. Na, yes, I can assume you.
I don't come away.
Amen. Dr. Paul Frimpong Manson, a General Superintendent, Assemblies of God Ghana, Samson or President at the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council. And on Friday, Katabitu just said, preparation ɔmo ayɛ a ɔmo de twɛn sɛ ebi lockdown na nsɔre bi pie di so no ɛne di nkɔmɔ wɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ bibi saa adeɛ but na ɛnyɛ sɛ deɛ ɔmo ayɛ no it was for Sunday ɛnura wampanin speech a na ɔde ɛba ne mom na ɛyɛ ade wampanin sɛ ɔmo nyɛ mfamra na mmerɛ kɔ no bɛn sɛ ebetumi di so a na ebie di ama wɔn nti wɔn de akɔ wɔn mpanin wɔde ato ɔhwɛ ne mu sɛ ebia mmerɛ pɛm no so obie ba no a na wɔn kɔ asɔre a wɔn tumi adi so ɛno ɔno nso ɛdeɛ ɛno na your excellency ɔno gu so a na wɔmeki wei na papa bɛn to aso na.
meda ase nea na meka nyinaa ne sɛ sese pɛpɛ so a yɛwɔ mu no yɛato yɛ bibiduro atwene ɛna meka yɛyɛ abɔfra no sɛ na onya fever ɔmo frɛ no 3D bɛna na bɛtete nhaban bi na ɔde wanoa no nsuohyia mu wahu nkɔlaa a yɛwɔ ne nkyɛn bɛyɛ du a sɛ dumienu na ɔde kutunkura bua yɛ so wotwi kɔ wo ho a woyi wo ti a ne yɛsi wo koto to wo hyɛ mu ɔse home twi kɔ wo mu wompie na wo ho atɔ
frɛte waa ɛsɛ yɛkunu
abibi man asanteman Kumawu TV nyame wakyɛ yɛ ade papa but yɛn ayɛ deɛ no yɛn hwɛ so yɛ sɛ yɛn ni da so nyinaa ne sɛ agye sa aborɔfo de aduro ba o ti enkosi da bɛn na aborɔfo de aduro ɛbɛba Ghana Medical Association ɔmampanyini na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo adeɛ esi somewhere December January February March ansa na ɛbɛba ha no ahomboa bɛn na mo ayɛ enti no adeɛ we abɛkyerɛ wiase nyansa sɛ we have to be self-reliant yɛnyai sɛ biribi agye sɛ amanɔne biribi agye sɛ ɛkra biribi agye sɛ ɛkra and more seriously no na mebisa ne sɛ donation ni sika bebrebe ɔmampanyini agye no okɔ most of the hospitals Barikesi for instance biribi ani hɔ PPE kura bi ni hɔ nom
Barikesi
I'm telling you me say nyese yese omo wo chip compound bi ɛwɔ ebra uduru hɔ nom a protective gadgets kura nurses for hye no omo ni bi me sheda ko check me temperature ɛwɔ hɔ nom no titi die ni bi na yɛ kyekyere ba ne gya obe yɛ kafu ni bi no it's my goodness Sika bebrebe amanfo atwia ma Nana Addo Dankwa. Ɛdeɛ na ɔde yɛ.
Right, yɛmfa nsi wɔ ma me mɛsa ba hɔ na yɛbɛhwɛ deɛ ɔde sika no yɛ. Tama ma.
Minia.
Ɛna wotie ɔma mpanin.
Yeah.
Yes, mintie o.
Deɛ di kan me so mɛkyia minia panyin. Na yɛkyia Kowura Opum so. Mɛkyia me regional executives na ɛne constituency executives. Sɛ yɛgu so. Yɛdi dwuma nti ɔmo so ɔmo ndi dwuma. Ɔmo sɛ ɔmampanyin bɛkasa biara na Ghana fo bitie na sempa wɔde ba enura mene anya adwene ɔmampanyin baa no ɔkyerɛ ye local foods ene ye local herbs because pepper dawa ne wenu nyina no ɔmampanyin kan and last week so was it I forgot the minister friends local medicine no yakase edomu fa yenyinanim se de yesi to yenduro Ghana adone eto Ghana no obu ha otimi kofa sodest no de agutuom no oton no so mu famra no mu famfa enfidi
but of course omo drugs bi akose bitimi akio coronavirus no omo de just ordinary people
and make say yedu omu fa omo endo no fa enfidiem
omo se ache
ni che ne de say on say adebi ho a wan wi ya obaka say ekio na ekum the big out say ye na say by domestication ye fuaso say omumfa local herbs no and try here amampanyi say de wasi agi omu feso obu obaka to mu say kai onti obi ana say ono mfa ho o hwe de abrofo ne beba but wo mu obi akwan say de obi a peso de bebu obi a no omra it tells you say omampanyi no o Ghana o na kumam Ghana china kumam o tema so mo bia wahu ena minia kano menene nya adwene because sa Norwegian ambassador na obaya no yemfa Boris Johnson enya example onya bi ne ho nipa se ne nya bi enti se no wonya na ambassador no anya bia ano doesn't mean say won na kwasa no we no a definitely obenya bi because enyo obia na oti obia se me pre no de ne se ko na ni ana no ana na so ana se odi ni se she minim obi so oti obia na okono ahoro ne nsa after say so we omampanyi se do ni debate with etia and oba so amachi obia party no na I was there and chabia nkoso ana se ka we chewe na we chewe nyaka ye nyina
no one say oba the independence parade no one tia na oko party asa kocha
yes ministers no kro bia ntia ochi obi o se ye di ebo obu o so no mama ni nsa so on the mention yana yare nso fine yare sai but yare bu a yiwe nu apese no obeso wa wanya bi obeso ha meso ha e bia me so ha na me sanitizer e dia fa mi nsam enti se o mampanyi na ekofa ba na se ne so ate no o mampanyi wona oda 4 o'clock 1 o'clock because of adena abano bibia besi no ne yebebo ne din enti ono so enye no kra se e bia mampanyi yema hira na se wanya bi ena ye ha meje se o mampanyi de tu kwam a ye di hwe wi no a week answer ne be lockdown omo February chi bae na yen meje se dia to ano hitro kra no munim sa meje se ne bi de be ka toza ena contract trade no so a ye no lockdown temani ho was it 90 as 100 a ye lockdown no eno ne ma amanfo kafi ma yenya kwan ye contract trade more emi ehunu nipa se mi pere so mini obi adi tweka ayewi no enti eno na bua mi ehu yenya figures ni sei no ena eno so bua ma ye hu yare ba bi ewu bia ne Ghana di yare no mun kan ye ne echi ni yare nya yare ne echi ni hwe enti wi aso mu boy aba so say message ye da to no e good ena o sa hwe
the number no kwa de koso
say let me tell you them na make sure say 700 and ye lockdown because omo manya contact ni nyina no say anya lockdown how can you trace them because jano ebio no free obuase anaso free kumase obesina kotamela no we but ye lucky by the hotspot no nyina no obi akam enti nyomo trace enyewom the make out say
but if free lockdown na 1000 I think 1041 say your 4700
and no na hwe contract enye no ne o back loss bebrebe o
okay
ani entesty the make out the back loss no a ebe ka won ma we no hiti ena 500 na ebe ka won no sisi no kra no unse nipa ba ko na dia afra complete that's it ena me kra na me I was expecting say ebe hit 5000
wow
that is started we no I was expecting say ebe hit 5000 at that time no dey yenye obi a then afobo se baako mienu bi ene beba enye boom enti yo mampanyi message o mudi ato nyina o maboa
is the president mean politics sana his excellency can say mampanyi aso or the yare ne politics
say o ba activity
that what is so can say post the big boss who come near
you all know say a private company and a year to support omampanyi eno ano ade na ye no omampanyi no be me update enti yanko fa hwan na meto bebo no so ono a because all ba be ma update electricity so ba water free no ene e bi fa we free ye che nua ne we no obi hu se update no e wona bebo no wona omampanyi no so eno kwa draw attention me hu say yes na for different persons so semi person o ka say lewe ne keka wa obi kra ka say bia o mu premier film bi na ye di we na babo but ayo no mu no ka bubbles no catch us say stay at home and I say wash your hand under running water no and no it tells you your money pan bebi aduna baso ami on so mampanyi no still o da boy kokko entenya practice then no so enya politics some politics ye ka say ne ye politics pa GCBP you be catch other political parties in they make at what you say because over without planting for food and jobs no enka you call lockdown ni enka bafa and komunya aduane mba they make at what you say local rice and then among for testing local rice I will say local rice here you will be in the cake home and over your friends as well Veronica Bakata a domestication de be ka to what say e na o de eno so to e so a local industries ni be so e sanitizers eno so ni domestication and now we have PPEs ni nyina ye pam Ghana and ye domestication and now where your friends say I should call this sanitizers no smacks no your local ones say ya cloth no bi e pam a we domestication etike ye kase ye biwe no automatically no and ke ya to ho ye che your friends say
so tama enra wuti o mampani no unu say bibia ye okay.
It was fantastic. It was fantastic update. It was fantastic because compare actually in neighboring countries now. Nigeria, omun testing more, but she omu really omanya any nipo omu. Say if say your measures enya Nigeria really nipo omu. Never test ya omun testing, but still omu change.
Recovery no from Ghana.
That's it.
The nipa no ehun to omun tenten. Look at the number of people money I already been here 494.
Yes.
And you know, meanwhile we are 4,700.
David. So okay, na mistakes mistakes we want say on say recovery no eba no na we do be ka ho yare no bi eba etu ka say ye recovery no for man say yare no owo no de bi ka ho more na de ba on say 500 abeka on 1000 abeka on 800 and 200 300 the beka to say yare de eba more but recovery ni de ebe kakra because yare de e chill prekope na ni ja no yen kakra and ediko enti am hoping say nyame ya aduma within the end of this month na ye kwa kramofo no ye free first mu no nyame be abi ni be fuma ma policies no ye pese policy then race ni ye be jam ye de sia ni
I had a come television Sinupi na iguswa ye Sinupi channel so live on Samdakus television nti betimi so ahwe YouTube Samdakus TV ye kwaba na eba bedin komo on the issue so company say the more you test the more you find some positive cases and then boosting our immune system and also there in we said no you know to me still affect political activities Ghana
It is critical that I raise one significant side of the fight against this virus, which has not been given enough emphasis, but has to do with the change in attitude that will impact on our lifestyles. That has to be one of the permanent legacies of the pandemic. We have to improve our hygiene, our fitness and exercises, our eating, generally our style of living, which will boost our immunity to disease and the virus. For instance, we're told that the key vitamins that four foods, exercising regularly, ensuring our personal hygiene, and improving our lifestyle habits should become part and parcel of our daily routines, which will help bolster our immune systems and help us in the fight against the pandemic. Fellow Ghanaians, this virus, as we have seen the world over, is no respecter of persons and has wreaked its havoc on every country on the planet. We can defeat it if we continue to look out for one another and remain each other's keeper. We're fighting a common enemy, and it is imperative that we do not allow religious, ethnic, or political differences to get in the way of certain victory. So we cannot allow a few persons who wish to use these differences to scuttle our collective fight to succeed. Over the course of our history as a people, we've had to overcome several trials and tribulations: slavery, imperialism, colonialism, tyranny, and dictatorship. And we have overcome them all so that, with the help of the Almighty, we are today building a free, independent state. A state that, despite the urgency of the crisis, is governed by democratic institutions, and respect for fundamental human rights, especially freedom of speech. That is as it should be, for we are determined in our generation to realize the dreams of freedom that animated and inspired the founders of our state. I'm confident that we will overcome this pandemic as well. This too shall pass, for the battle is the Lord's. May God bless us all in our homeland, Ghana, and make her great and strong. I thank you for your attention, and have a good night.
Right, yes, I am and from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. I didn't say no, his screen any, we say WhatsApp line so na Odo Faso Abba, Ebenya American kind of me at the amount. His Excellency Ejenim Boateng, A.K. Jataba, UFP, Presidential Candidate to FIA, so and the Ashanti Regional Chairman for GCPP, Chairman Umba, and so Elha, Ibusua, Yeti, and Common Massive Kakra. Yenny fan free or emfa emamo. And that's question. I say, please tell Jataba not to compare himself to Nanado. He can continue his campaign for JDM. Nanado is not his competitor because his face has never appeared on the ballot paper in this country. And also at the or the Abba and no. Well, we say Ghanaians should put pressure on Deputy Information Minister for attacking TV3 journalists. And also the Abba, I don't know. I say good morning. Please, it's afternoon. Tell Jataba to keep quiet because he's not a president. Okay, Jataba, I say one two. When your man penny ever or my Ghana, I don't know what's with me, Ekasa. We will say the extension of the ban is a step in its right direction. If you want the ban to be lifted, we have to change our attitude. Dr. Baba Zamu, Master Planner Kintampo, Edia Abba, and so no. Farouk, Edia Fitema, Edeba. Also, thank God, Jataba is at the studio. But please tell Jataba that he can never be a president in this country if he continues to complain about the good policies of our president and also the no. Well, Your Excellency,
Sir Mike.
Yes, you share the issue of the testing, and then His Excellency yesterday can say in Unibi, busi a new system, local food no nyabota boy, now come market now to say. And then in a way it is trying to raise even the price of those food commodities. No, the only be a touch on say cotton, and then mushrooms, okra, oranges, dawa, brown rice, plantain, kontomire, millets, cashew, and some vegetables. 1 penny. The food for no good. I think he had it right.
Medasi, you know, he's on the political arena. Now, first of all, Mami answer me or Mami family to I respect him as my senior brother. What's Masi? But I am a founder and leader of United Front Party.
Yeah.
He is not a founder of NPP.
Okay.
What I said.
Yeah.
He is not a founder of NPP. I am a founder and leader of United Front Party.
Okay.
Eti ono I was say omuhunu and say no ye nyina ye contested election. Or your president or your wanyo, we are in a contest and I am in the same race with him. Yeba enyane semwa omo kenya ohene ba na komampanyini okay no nanka sika yedia manu from the World Bank. Donations are individuals are donating wakofa ni nua ba betena no so na ehweska no so no na ke bia region bia no or say foodstuffs or provide amane crop because this COVID-19 year ba ye you know enra enane nansa many papa bi hia papa no me no akasa for some reason me fa ne di ntudwa owo fie o e na omo ba omo se contact tracing one ne ma ene ne yire omo ye nsia ono ne yire ne ma nan ye check obi enya bi ne baketo owo mu no 6 weeks ni omo se ono na enya bi e na omo se yenko omo de koda M Plaza 3 weeks ene o ka no crese breakfast lunch and supper di omo de ma no omo yi ni free on omo de call Holiday Inn.
Okay.
So akotwa 1 week wo. Oma say he no de call Pentecost for we na wo Winneba no.
Okay, but so it's true say pala no so nya bi there.
Oh, o say a man paracetamol kura na ni onam obo ne ball okoba.
6 years.
Enti no 6 years. Eye projection bi ahwe abani project e de agisika. Great Britain, almighty Great Britain. Omo Prime Minister Boris Johnson nye bi no. Ya ne ba television so. Oko recovery ward bibia no ye show my ye hu ye. Any pampim nine no where are they?
But apart from Johnson dia working. When you na onye bi a oye ordinary citizen. Our Britain you show no the pictures and I said do mutin ba bontin.
No,
it has not been done.
No, wouldn't be Prime Minister the leadership by example.
Good.
One when I make sure no. Enti no moma ye hu nkrofo no. Media I don't believe say ni pampem na nya bi wo man yi mu. Eye politics and omo dey ye.
You are by president for political parties leaders no. One through be now kan.
Oh na me wa de bi intimate me ma me vice and a call.
Vice square no still no obeka kire we say mu de mu nyini.
No, till from the beginning to the end, politics. Because ebeya umama say pandemic esi enipa mpemo na yenya na emu eduonum yenu ena ahwere omo nkwa enu mpo ye mampanyin say enye COVID-19 eku omo obi wo diabetes obi wo pressure obi wo weight enti no this is not something that was somebody obstacle na the whole mission is said na nko mo pese omo ye America na omo hwe no se Trump ka say America enko election na kana na do o magana ye nto aba but Donald Trump babo nti be ka say once Ghana ye hwe America ye ne omo one party omo ko November na akọ December Donald babo nti ka say whether corona or not America is going a home po esia man pim nipa pim ewu no I must admit say yare no e wo banya ye mayimu.
Is it not surprising your excellency say obeka say yare ni ha yare aba omano part of the country are locked down for 3 weeks GR reform kwa tax bia abani ni mede odi nyina no do no apem and you still say yare ni ho. So why should the president be doing this?
He should lift the ban. The president's interest is to win the power 2020. Nia oye nyina no ni interest ne say obe retain the power no 2020 ba power man e yire Rebecca Kufuado ekra akoye electoral commissioner obe lose NSS had a lackadaisical attitude that oye so onim say obiemu sesia na ono obewe na on left band no lift public gathering ni enye your campaign ni Ghana for NTC as a president of the land. Now what be di omampanyin for 4 good years.
3 years. 3 years 4 months.
3 years 4 months or the 4th year mu. Sort must now you can't even boast of a cheap compound.
Wow.
We see omampanyin enfie nine because adia oya ni say ono yare a otam your private jet no de kwa bruchiri. No akohwe no yare. Ono kwa de onyusu national one no orenti. No akoshi Ghana skegu aba. Ade we no etichi Ghana fo nyansa me no me medi president enkohwe me ho yare wa bruchiri o. I will make sure say Confanochia St. Michael Hospital wo Britain ayo omoko no London na ye benya the same standard. Ghana ye wo professional doctors. Enti no hospitals anka kan wura mu a ye di oman ni sika ya wa beto no to aso ye health professionals, ye doctors, ye nurses. Unim allowance 50% nyina na ye campaign e no de ye. And my ye minua baba ko o me Oba me one am so we say about 50% of say me pay slip. And my politics no man panyini e
omo tax we ba na dia. Tax no.
And na 50%
no Friday na one administrator hospital na o me show iso. Na o kan say frontline workers no. So when penny kan na when penny no eni tua say e bia omo hwe yare na nkasa pa. But then Ghana Medical Association and the midwives and then other associations no so air police will be a remove. So they are trying to regularize that.
No, you know
what? The right.
A big crowd dear my example no setting Oka frontline workers, what do you mean?
Also be a
hospital, even to the pharmacists, cleaner, mortuary man.
Yeah.
No, they are at risk. And why do you have to discriminate? Say frontline workers. Oh, more cheap compound, more a brand other rural areas in Yanano. I was so much me heavy. And you cannot say frontline workers. And many American say, in short, no, or man penny, Sicano or Buano de Abeya campaign. Now, why now you say, yet 2 man at Obesi Hospital. Yes, say, the Obesi Obey de Yaka, Agrobesa, if they are no pa. So 4 years now to mean complete hospitals, sir. It be what about 70%, 80%, 90%. Our predecessor, aye, or dear Manisika, aye. Now to mean to us, you don't deserve the second term. And we have to change the change. Unlifted abandoning them. Now United Front Party. We need all-inclusive government. We don't need a family and friends government. Enough is enough of Nanado Danko Ekufuado.
Right. Ejenim Boateng, presidential candidate at the United Front Party, UFP, and obtaining Canada. But then on records, we say Chief Command Konyebi. But then Oko evaluate Mojura constituency. Evaluate Ajumorojura. I think in the Western region. Or say a Wuku Chief Command or more than necessary. Check your facts well.
My commission.
Yes. And then we also do the or say tell Mr. Ejenim Boateng to learn from the president Nana Akufo-Addo. This kind of wiki propaganda from self-acclaimed party founders will have to be condemned. Watch it. Offensive. I don't know. Was this human being Nana? No, the
Ministry family and friends government, you know.
Well, Ernest, also on the issue of billboards that he is talking about, JM has a big head on Metro Mass buses. Well, those buses for JDM family, were those buses for JDM families? And also, Asuma, and fair capsules. My catcher say a drawback one, the 80 mensen. Any man some amomo cafe capsules. So yeah, a branch abawa ulumai and I say abrewa na won't mean now so na bibia atotomaka. Over here drew and no cafe capsules no. A man a low sperm count member. Name of a man there must be mukunda. I am monted the cry. Do say me feelings but I drew and I'm what me any feelings no. The cafe capsules no be 8 meters and so. And na isufi before ya se eba ya na so oyefunu bumwa o menstrual pain ni na no nya ka fe capsules ni be abo pa mema no so be ma na ya na e ho na yese efon ebi wo so na ase nsu fita bi fu be bara no eba ojo so na be ma no eye wo ya sanso na edu ebi wo ha aso ojo so ten hu na de kro yare na eya ka wo omoden ya na pe ka fe capsules ni bi na wonya bi no mu a obe me man sempa etumi e de abo bibia to duro my Ghana say local herbal stores bi and pharmaceutical companies ni ano okwa obenya kafefe capsules ni bi na watumi ato okwa wo se me pe kafefe the original kafefe capsules no e betumi aboa obe frɛ 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 na do bro mu no etumi e de abrɛw Anolin Royal Enterprise. The American me say nya sorry ni asori. Ni mo sorry any the instrument no. Igina sorry dem wo a asori ba yare kwatumi pie. If you ni ba no fi say instrument no say the ACGG mu na airborne no konkro tumi sane na waba. Asori bi wo a konkro du an watwam. Wo hia instrument papa. kɔ Anolin Royal Enterprise ɔmbɛboa wo ama watumi anya correct instrument a wobɛtumi ɛde ɛdɔ adwuma deɛ ɛɛde wɔ mu ɛne sɛ wɔso wɔdwene ho fi sɛ yare ɛbaeɛ no abɛdi ewu wiase nyinaa nti wo ba ɔno bɛyɛ nhyehyɛeɛ wotua ketewa bi to ase a ɔde yɛaka nya bɛma wakɔ na woyɛ asɔre a na wotwa no kakrakrakrakra saa nso ɛna ebi a wabie pub bi anaasɛ wowɔ ayie bi kɛseɛ bi yɛ na wopɛ sɛ yɛde instrument bɛbɔ ma wo live band a ɛbɔ kama atumi ɛde ama wo wopɛ set of drums microphones amplifier speakers bass combo anaasɛ all kinds of guitar trumpets ɛne de ɛka ho nyinaa no a woba Anolin na yɛbɛtumi aboa wo ama wo sɛ atumi aka bi yɛwɔ Kumase na wobɛhu yɛ kronom Adonko Junction hɔ a ɛna yɛwɔ frɛ 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 frɛ na yɛnyɛ wo so nneɛma a ne papa no bi ɛntumi ɛntɔ ɔmo ɛna yɛ so asene ma yɛde siripi atumi ɛde abrɛ mu amekɔkya mo ma hɔ na ɛmrakyɛn the issue of more testing and then nnuane a wampani si
me nua mekɔ so no me sɛ aka kyɛ me nua sɛ ɔnsan checking the facts yi
okay
in terms of hospitals no wokɔ regional hospital a ɛwɔ Sawia predecessor ofiri hɔ na yɛ 40% ɛnɛ 65%.
okay
wokɔ military hospital na yɛ 48% ɛnɛ or 70%. wokɔ Kumawu na yɛ 65 ɛnɛ 95%. wokɔ Agogo hospital a na former president wa ɔmo ka sɛ green book ɔmo complete no na yɛ 75.
wo sɛ na Kumawu yɛ sɛn
Kumawu na yɛ 65 ɛnɛ 95.
ɛwɔ Kumawu
I tell you.
Oh, but I listened to the DC Samuel.
Yes.
This Samuel Ajeni Motajaman. Kumawu DC. Yes. But I was say African Yamiadum. Kwanya Bia or more project. So to mention 90%.
Yes, a share. A whole hospital. Yes, a share. They make a share. Go and check. Last week, Sunday,
90% completion.
I tell you, the Mamika Joe. And a hospital, this zero, any instruments that go is different. The Beccato said, and Fidia the Babu hospital, said I do a pedestrian, the moons you said, Nicky Camono, and no, I asked them. And now Kokuma, who a friend say, I will go. That green book. Or my daddy almost said completed, and then for 75, and then more pia, but you have to do. And let's put that one aside. Well, when you and then your governance is about thinking outside box.
Okay.
The Beccato say. And now, when you said it was a share, we could do no. On Pesse, Yakasi be draw, no, be a fan who said, the video panic a limb tree, and to be a cottage limb tree, may composa anyway. There be Yadi a drone fat a woman, or some yadi a local foods, near mentioned foods, and not be ever bestowed immune system. And now, Omo Muyano, and no Muyano and the Kumunu.
But we at the camp.
Yes, because all the same, for all we know, no. Osha diabetes a virus. We AIDS a virus. Asthma. Ni na enti akutia immune system no. E ma ni we can to be come one. Uwo no totally 100% say obedient dey. Ubewu. Dey be catch what you say. E na die tie yen show e mo obi a yefo obi a beto say nipa 4,000 we no. Yen ni before stigma. Say dey see no. Hwese obi a yesane yare oba ti metre. Hwese afa ne yire no an mba ko ma nya bi no mu koto enoma. Obi a beso beto amu. It is stigma ti ye bo nipa du ban. Ye bi before. Obi nya bi kra na se da busani nya bi a ene eye wo busani no. Wo ye no ni dwa. Wo wa aduma bi e pese. Etia tumi koto mo bi mbesiwo. Enka se wei and I because of the happy of the little bar. Every year example to among for say Reina when you bina no one at all. It is I am very bad brano, ever had any ye.
But he seems on Jim this I don't know.
Or
so in Europe and other countries or better money with it.
Not in a know. Or any your friends gift giant. Yeah, quarantine. Last player by a quarantine. And you don't be your kunya a positive one. The make out I say, yeah, I don't know, but some in your position, beer is upset, no one can say beer is, raise a beer, eni ti na bi o ka se yare ni yare na ho a ye ma fonya go to oboase record Omar record say
Oboase, I think Oboase is more than 60 or so. Last week, no, about 47.
Yes, only a lady. There was anyone. Yari no and your politics. Says, Yenina, your common enemy, no, any corona. The make out what I say. You fight corona election in the fall. And I was say now, American, many in Yardi. Because electronics no money to about. Yes, you to the manual. The make out what I say.
Not on your
WWW. May Castle America. So because of to about. Obey to what you have to know.
Sure.
The make out what I say. Yeah, would be to about. And they are quite different class. Yeah, America. So my penny, necessary science, doctors, the catcher say, yet to me to about. Yet there be a constitution. You better move about the next year, and the next 2 years. The next year. Then you won't be a very but see,
okay, but then what has the name of Sikoya? 4,700. Do you foresee, say, and here are about
we are looking up to the president. He is going to update us.
Because NPP a year of campaign team.
No, never catch us this year. You catch us, say, you have a match. Near Castle match in year 2.
Okay.
And he owns the 2 players.
You do so.
And take up the match, Papa, so no, so yeah, oh, and to me, you are prepared. Second, you are going to see Chelsea. Sadly, yeah. They make a just say. So, my particular name to about, no one can decide to say to about.
But I know a woman penism.
Any say young to about, yes. Say, a man penis, yet to about say, on my son Ghana for Ghana for 1 year or what Ghana for and Kwahobine. Now, Cassia, no, a Becum Ghana for it or boy Hobaya. No one can stop him. Until we are looking up to him. So, Cassia to about, then we move on. Or Cassia to about, then we sit and then near Woody.
I don't know my son to us, no man penny. Pay our loss.
Our loss, no crown. Loss, no, anybody share loss.
Anybody.
Your constitution, a cakey, since 69, we now constitution, a few women as a son. You and I know. So, constitution, I did that as a son. You and I know. Okay.
Right, Penasi, Yaopoku Esiama, or say, in fact, His Excellency Jataba Ekanahano, Naninho Mokra, or any interest pan a chain Ghana, na or no class of elections, one penny our Tiswa or Bowman on the then it's just to me every elections, or none of the day Abba, I don't know. Okay, we say major project. Abai by YN. So Mike, Ibina Media Maui, reconstruction of La General Hospital and Polyclinic, construction of Walwali Hospital, construction and expansion of new Chebi Government Hospital, construction of new Kukurudia Regional Government Hospital, expansion of Atibie Government Hospital, expansion, it goes on and on and on. Well, I don't know, sir. It's an ongoing project. And I say a project area. Well,
Sir Mike.
Yes, Yataba.
Niomo Kano. First of all, Nanado Danko Ekufuado only to me be the constitution that makes him a president. Say Obeka Semi and Tuaba. It's only the referendum. Yes, supreme law ne wohono. And no. And Yemia Fantime say, I mean, now he don't have any power. So Bekasi and Tuaba. Say Yari and Kuma on Waden and Kenkuno, because on Okra wako only obi or wobi akodi asa asane na bagana ne yere birthday abe bogana skahu edi ayeway.
But there are not safety protocols. Now the Juma. And so
it is cut or the budget. Obia wo bi wa kofa na bawo now safety protocols now my man make you president so that hospital la o ma bobo yi no ne wo hin why na santima mu ha anya santima anka na do ye president hospital sir look omo ya na MPP for ne ka say na NDC time omo ye say omo the NDC green book and ebu minor na nya Ghana for no me accountable to them. They should let us know. You can't infrastructure, they cannot compare themselves to them. And it's almost the no near candia, almost free so, no more mind this international. But no the can. We the Ghanaians, the citizen, no, and the year catcher Nanado say he's a failure. Nanado is a failure. Mon can your wire was antimemuha. Ye were hospitals by year and watching brand new. Our man penny that day see a uja hokoye. No be the beye enfie baako ene fa etinyesi ade edwe bia 60%. Now the enfie 9 won't me fan complete ya. Is it not the same or stronghold and make you the power? Ama why president? And you know, sa die yare be apart from hohoro nsa dan ho kaka motobi. E de no maye. Me sakaka motobi me se bi da.
What?
Yes, because when it be omo shesa nose mask no yari omo benya next year no they don't have idea because you say breathing oxygen no materials na GTP apempam no omo anya for human consumption. Remember there is a chemicals in it. And now we who will be at air condition mu no asan share we say
Bye jataba globally obia e use bi
na globally no who can globally na mo we see situation no. Don't compare America, Great Britain, Norway to Ghana. Different climate. What must say? And omo munye bi no treatment America, even Canada, me offer back. You're lucky down. You're more obia $1,200. But Ghana has sika ye chakra ampo say ye fan share mine no MP before Naji boss and na no mu chenuane no ma omo allies any MPP appointees. Nana do sika be no yiye o se bosome so na say ye twia ne car or the part of the salary. Enti afen no de 1 man salary o. Who said donation be banos me nwa about fie dey so for yakufu ka better scanner no family and friends mentality no enu an o dey koso enti nanado ye hwe say by May ending who say be a fair zone or left band na you say no ya warming up ama ya yeshi say opo so mpo ye betu no and only to me bia so beka so ye nto aba.
Okay, me that say Fred Boga and a Fred the free I see progress na me boss no ahokra ni wa amampani otisu na hyase in fact we na na ye ntro before no twa e Ghana
propaganda
na omo nkyere project ahokra o maye when it comes to hospital infrastructure. Okay, ono so e de ode aba no ye ntwe ahomra ye ba ya beto aso
o sorry anopai wadwene ni obedi ni obehye baby a odi uti beto na mebisa wo wadwene wapomuden ho ana orofo ade achi a ade esen se wapomuden betumi asipi asita ama wo na obetumi akọ so na wakoye adwuma na wagyan bi ade aba behwe abusua no a age se wapomuden asipi ade ama wo empempi obehwe a yetimi sori anopa timi sori anumre abribia esori se yekoye adwuma so na se koba se wapomuden ani ho a ebeye dan na watumi akoye adwuma na wanya sika ade abeboa abusua no enu nti ena Kumawu TV yakofa adwumadi a yato ne din won kwanya odofo ye kwa ye bai eto dem po a aya na wuta adwendwene na ubisa ho questions bebre Kofi Adeni dodo no afra me Lofty me no ba bedi ahia e wo dwumadi so e dwumadi a betimi aboa na aboa mo apomuden atimi asipi ade ama wo yare wo hoyi enim abofra enim opani na enim odefo ensan so enim ohiani eto dem po a se yare bi e wo wabrabo mu a aya wo hunu anuane esese wudi a etumi eboa wo dwumadi so no ye to nsa afra akukudam wona sabi wa ben no wonim de e wo apomuden ho na enu nwa betrase na ya dwene kwampa wapɔmuden betumi asipi na sika ɛde ama wo.
Ghana for a Musonfo, Eugene Moses Appendi. Dodo na frame Ochinozo, one, the only one in Ghana. What you man is saying? What you man is saying? You may be a Kumo TV, Akofaba, a day now to me, and Wapra. What you man is saying? What you man is saying? What you man is saying? A you may be a Mimpese Opia being who was free. Yes, you could be a war or one side, and so a hint Bible says also can near. A shempe diasia and shrine. A now per se, your shrine with money mount. Motive your fat and also say you made ye ever what ye mean, so ye so food, so ye do see me, so ye may see me, so ton a dear, we are well that just a juma beer out to me a piano. Black motive numbers on the good screen national. For Mubia and a friend or fra, the bejo so near Buku now swabba. No have a trade deal to me yet. Now man signs what Ghana here more and so you bra never trade deal to me yet. What you man is saying? What you man is saying? Me, I did you make the April above me in the family region, Moses Aqua. Madame was what you man and say a day now to me.
Kumawood TV, Amansane, Yena Yedimu.
Sorry, I'm not paying. What
right? Yes, I am. I have Kwaba Emra Sinupi on Kumawood Television. Yene His Excellency Ejinim Wati, A.K. Jataba, UFP presidential candidate. 18 Komo Sanso and Ashanti Regional Chairman for GCPP, Kofi Owusu Omar, and no more, and I can come up with you say. We are screen anyone. Be phone lines no. Number 020 063 602 0200 603 602. Boro mama foul na fi etuedi komo. Chairman, me na or talk about the projects and the other and then okay say e kwan bia so company afi so e was say African for top.
Minimum research ema other political parties. Okay. They should go deeper. Because for high school company a project dormitories. For Islamic dormitories. For Hamas dormitory. For so me cry there. Just I would put me say company Obama for me for. Because we have one B, one F, one. Your abattoir. So they can't say. All those say young municipal projects are cost. And our infrastructure, I bet you say MPP before ever out a become project. Because me call it said go say boom. Okay. But more projects.
And on my so you see them winning. Oh, say election there. I tell you, when the maker say you will be capable of this before, but when you come there, MPP they stand tall. I tell you, they stand tall.
Say Mike.
I tell you, 020 063 602 0200 603 602. Which have them now you found on CDP. They stand tall. Because when you say domestication. Right, my man called so. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir. Babe mo abaso pa na onu producer mo work mapa media data prophet am kasa free the cham so e mo gra so e be na was dem da ko me channel na me se mo ade kaka o je mo fe osoforo asambes ye sofo panino na ne voice no e mun na ho papa intimation case bia na say you know ha no matia ma voice no wo de no you keep no de na Mamacha, Excellency, Yataba, Yamisha, na Menchana, Union Society, but we need to Wakasa against the government. But the no you have to me. Every hour defend Chairman American and the beer defend governing power. When you are Kaka makers, when you are very about because who had I'm not Tiso Yamo, Montpellier Basso, Namitia, Yami, at the number 2, 1,470, 400, 700. ne tu ne se bona paso na gana fo yare nya abaso body aban papa bia nipa mienu na yare ye na kasi wa na tima weje tine go 4700 na chama wa betra wo boma pan ye ka kwan ye ka infrastructure amana mo ka kire gana fo se ye me infrastructure esiska be ku ye botom bi se wo se ni ne gana ni be na sika ku ni botom amo fo ka bodo ko mo ye ya o ti tro mo ro ndi sika ku bank kwa e na se perfect life oh kaka me ka me tro mo na
darobe enso lower volume no my na entunka. Good evening. Hello.
Good evening.
Aba ma dun be afre free entio.
Pacho ka se mande. Àwọn project of wire, àwọn do go na yi. Ka se man no. So project of wire, àwọn do go. Àwọn won da through some crooked way. When this area no, àwọn personal no share. No one trust, no one get na mo ti ti you start wire. Wire go be ayi. So what about one trust? Let's come and let's go on music.
Okay, unfortunately, when you NPP ni so. Good evening. Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Mangolo no for my na yento kan yi why?
Yo, wato ka free assume. You can happen.
But also ka free. Assume. But region by Eastern region. Yento.
Yeah, about each new damn boateno. Senior Ochi Casanasa or Casa Tuneso, Onya and Tobase. And away the master at the Sadeka crazy, Wona Uhusu program, no smart. It seems would be the boateno at it. If it's a Wuka, no smart. Senior on Peninsula, a Casa Tuneso, and no Peninsula. I was saying, it's really a restaurant.
That's a power penny. Good evening. Hello. 0200 603 602. We screen your number now. On look me afraid. Now to me at one car. No smart no. You are. But you see, you see social distancing. And machine say never be ana. You should know. Maybe any panel bell more. And I also use no smart. Good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening. Ana wama TV volume no echo form. Oyane say bet me atoka. Well, my Sandra. Okay, good evening. Hello. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We are free until.
Hello, good evening.
Ya do so we are free.
Good evening, Joseph. Me ka se Oyoko.
Oyoko yenti ojo.
But don't say.
Yeti o.
The American man say. I'm say mo project this is for my project baby. Na him ya a brand my cement and regional minister. A campaign. I'm Oyoko out there. I'm penny that I will share mono. Only in the study will obey. You are to Oyoko. I'm just to buy no more property of Mojaba. Mojaba quite 6 much. I was in the back, my man. You met some of what you saw so million years. When I saw Monkey, night, Yabwa.
Yes, so that's it. Say, put me a bemo. Okay, Your Excellency. Bremka Kram. What time? Me too. Hello, good evening. We are free.
About your family, one Casa.
Look at that friend. A drop into.
About you, now, not a thing with that. Empty people, I must tell my Mama. May it be a gratitude, Martin, but you because it's my bad father and Japan for some gratitude, Martin. Free account for the cook, finding never who cry when you will die, you will see. At the same time, free I said, what the court to most of the level passing that when you will then if you wish you move back to the mind.
Okay. Joshua Free Adria. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Abani, good evening. We are free.
I thought you say.
Already I don't know your power. What's your friend? Libya, you.
But next before I catch a woman, I will buy it. But woman, next before one, I guess that money is now. What next before no, just before if I the maximum but
Yeah, that's it. Okay. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
We have your friend free. Christian, didn't you? My TV volume come from night yen can you why? Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
We have your free.
My cousin sent for them.
I see. Okay. How about you?
I no more kaya dia na dia meta na kaya da for ne so bia mo na ko fi dia na so na mo mo na ku ba because no na fa sa kaya na to ka se o se ya dia se ham dia ke se yo mo dia na
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Good evening. Okay. Well, yes. Chairman. I'm come right. Hello, good evening. We didn't have free. Ernest. If I talk, Manoso Akrama and I ain't too kind.
Asoma working. It's a very big platform. If you are a na sabi ya dia ba. Let's say yes. When we are over in Syria, that's the next education we so. Now the kata na ye channel or ka so bi mi so ana wo che bi ga. Let's say ade me na ka na ye ye no. Why what you for to be great. After the unia, ye ka say. What do they call kufuado? Ah, we don't see one now. Only one where that hanya there. So you the former president of Mahama. And the same one, what are you doing? Unia, you look to me, and you never done for one of the Ghana. So if you look to me, I can't have the Mahama and the Bayana. You are cut on your cat of a matter, didn't think any kind of a trouble. What you have here? The restaurant of Obama Casa, when you have a friend, you have money in a smart account. Wọ́n kọ́ káàtó ọ̀dọ́ ọ̀ma ní ní àtàǹtẹ̀ náà wọ́n bẹ tẹ́ tán ìkiri.
Ernest, yes, good evening. We are free. David, Christian. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay, I think say good evening. Obana kwama uti bolo no kofo. acquire so right Chairman.
Yes sir.
Brema
me question no your friend and also free adran on for any fast and ya adran ko bi training college ro nursing agric courses ebe no and ya some na o ka say adran ko munya bibia o let's put them on aside
so ko bi e dia ho
adran
we say agric college no ho
agric college no
but then say na infrastructure na
that's it mo pa ni nyina and you also your friends say
Oma yini na.
Yes.
That's the fact.
Emma, so mo
present. Oma yini bia o gira.
Yes. Emma so mo say present. Yen sam besi vast kwamo. Ye wi kan yo mo say first account. Let's put them on aside. Okay, project so mo di eji credit amama manya no. Project ni nyina was started funding that started from Kufuor.
Kufuor started circling.
I said the fund no. When the Siki fund is it's one of the two funds it's one of the fund here.
Theater Mills the winery.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ufra ayati wo ewo phone to ija ya TV no. Yes emwa. Ya be ka no ja. Yes so when the ski fans me na. Me ya take credit drama. Your friends say ya. President Mama, me ni say most of them were no. But we have very it was started by President Mills. It's 2 years now community finish that hospital. But up to say we free opinion so now it do 40% to cry. And the go and check 60-70 any project room will be our hospital or completely when a Kokati your friends. So and yet current president. And it tells you say Adimano President of Bobby. Now MPP communicators the way weak. I tell you, because you got grassroots now check it out, check it, no matter what. But they have done well. Then there is no need to say DCP call this election. And the president has done well and needs to be applauded, and then young man will go ahead and possibly.
That's the one say the see politics of Africa. And yeah, semi period and nothing. Because Senipa no ya dia, you see this say one year. So ko ka say one year ya e be expose you. And once why na why, but we need more. Yeah, e dey be more than the mu ye no. They make do that. And emra no is 4 years bia Senipa no whether why better and now why best no. Emra no my plan say your contest. Emra no ka say money pa no to aso. That's why you dey ka say
why are there we bet you that one contest so that we not even waste money because we so why are there.
Let me tell you one thing. They find about two new one party states.
There are other parties. GCP won't come now. There's no so.
Let me tell you. Yeah, you free legal money.
Semai. Winning BB MPP na nado danko Akufo-Addo. Se waye BB a onka na nuntum na ade na nkasa ma ne ho kejeti esi hoi na obi na beka so bia e kejeti a Ratri Park wo obi na beka so bia e Ratri Park Aferi hospital omusi no obi na wo so ka na se wa wo find it difficult se yaye we na yenka na wo nyehu you've done nothing enti niema na yete sika so yebre mutu aba mamia na se me ba Ghana fo ho beto yi oba hwa ho yehi a wo de yekom na nado is a failure wadi Ghana fo hwamo na wo sa the coronavirus asa be pie so yi lift band no na nado yentinsi form ni enye campaign ni pension na okoji wa ho me
this era ye wa obe kura wusu se ka samonya campaign na be ko
masa
Ghana ni be na ebe bo
o de yenje mu mi ehwe se no media me yare no aya bibi ti se until say sika omu nya no omu de bewura hospitals mu kura no I won't believe what they are saying. Sika omu nya PPEs ko Barekese hospital ko hwe kwato so agogo ko hwe Ibora esi ye neighboring country Africa haya o former president no blocky anu wa MBNC o MBN Ghana o ye Ebola centers o kwa tonso agogo bi wo ho na nado baye no edi na sika bebre we donation enye sika keto anu waje fi IMF o enye sika keto anu waje fi World Bank donations e bi tua 1 billion bags. What is he doing with the money? Wasan kofa ni nua ba so na be sika no so enka ye no for transparency's sake na ko afa neutral person.
But there are other members are omo account committee no so
omo free he omo nyina ya MPP fo omo nyina ya MPP fo
eni si omo donate obi a donate other political party bi a donate na won donate I dey
na eye MPP fo sika eye mo sika
why are you complaining
no etino
o ti committee there na onim say NDC fo na UPP fo na DC fo anyway o ti committee na the nations no more na asase ba ana
Ama for years say omu chaade no ana wote your friends eti ama for other political parties can say they are not going to support, they are not going to donate.
Okay, mama
yeah oh fund man oh what are they only
me busa say ma donate
500,000 good
that all you know
me da say enti ne ye kan nyina ne say corona no na do the year politics Ghana for munya kukuduro munyi ntumago no emfiri mu hwina no because ebema mu yare o tin fifire
what I saying is very serious.
Yes
Omane boka campaign
omane boka ben ekufado enrich no waso oboka eka na ho ne senka individuals e bia wa ba hojo the ordinary people no he should share to them but he has keeping the money wa habo sika no kojo onpon kromade e sika beto ho no 48 hours bi o press conference onu nko abedi sika no kota entinu ade na ye no o ma be na eboka
o no smart ni bi
me de ye den no se me paya bo anase me gina mfutukwa so a my native wisdom should tell me say I should protect ba me na mo nua mu a natural oxygen a me twia koma ho mo de ade kata mo hwena no no mo ma mo immune system na bre fan wo be tin fifire obetini hye na bodwe ase na fifire abam na wasan de atwa ne hwena no na ohumi akọ mu sabi wa adwene no me hu de how
right that about a presidential candidate at the United Front Party UFP amanyoko no but then for us on Kumawu television yes show Uganda ni no ese truthful say bomode say obewo bronsa emrano and running water na obeyiso hand sanitizer nose mask no bomode say obehye say ofuka na akoni padomu bomode say obetumi ahye all the safety protocols no bomode say obedi so protect yourself and protect others ebetumi abwa ha de ma kwa mede jumadi no esiyem fasida emfa ma Anolin Royal Enterprise and afi so no kafefe capsules onso bra lebeso na etumi edituma Mondays to Fridays 4:30 to 6:30 and this snippy etumi edi ebremo and then yataba snippy so one penny afili then we snippy so no de nose mask no onyesu bi na enyesu bi chamoma so snippy say dwuma de one penny e bo pa de be ya ka be kwa ye ntoa no so na 2024 no on fa ngonko bi aseda enkoma DOP Kobe Frank VTR Augustina Ansan MCR Loretta production manager Ochinozo the one producer Queen AJ PRO Bernard Ade executive producer Samdakus and Hafi director Samuel Wabna Dakome within the Michael Nana Adomako by friend Mr. Mike hwɛ so yi eto ne ma yi me nua ba Presla wo Bestland Estate ene your birthday happy birthday to you dakra nyame ya mo chena e bi share
o sorry anopai wadwene ne obedi ne obehye baabi a odi uti beto na mebisa wo wadwene wapomuden ho ana orofo ade achi a ade esen se wapomuden betumi asipi asita ama wo na obetumi akọ so na wakoye adwuma na wagyan bi ade aba behwe busua no a agye se wapomuden asipi ade ama wo empempi obehwe a yetimi sori anopa yetimi sori anwumre abribia esori se yekoye adwuma so na se koba se wapomuden ani ho a ebeye dan na watumi akoye adwuma na wanye sika ade abeboa abusua no enu nti ena Kumawu TV yakofa adwumadi a yato ne din won kwanya odofo ye kwa ye bai etodem po a aya na uta adwendwene na ubisa ho questions bebre Kofi Adeni dodo no afra me Lofty me no ba bedi ahia e wo dwumadi so e dwumadi a betimi aboa wo na aboa mo apomuden atimi asipi ade ama wo yare wo hoyi enim abofra enim opani na enim odefo ensan so enim ohiani etodem po a se yare bi e wo wabrabo mu a aya wo hunu anuane esese wudi a etumi eboa wo dwumadi so no ye to nsa afra akukudam wona sabi wa ben no wonim de e wapomuden ho na enu nwa betrase na ya dwene kwampa a wapomuden betimi asipi na sita ede ama wo
Ghana for Emerson Eugene Moses Appendi. Dodo na afre me Ochinozo 1, the only one in Ghana. Wajuma ne say ye dwumadie bi a Kumawu TV akofa aba eden na otimi ye enwa bra. Wajuma ne say